Well, here we go again. Dave Burns at Copper Gardens. I'm going to do a quick viewing of a piece creating here for a home in Pennsylvania. This is the worst time to show a piece of my work. Worst in that it's about at its ugliest point. Dark colors, unfinished joints, no grinding and polishing. There's a little bit of polishing right here, which is representative of how it will largely turn out when we're done. Maybe even a little bit more cleanup there. By the way, when you see this silver tone metal, that's the brazing rod that joins the pieces together, and it turns, it's 85% copper, and it turns a silver tone when we apply it and then clean it up. And that's a little bit of a problem, but I use it, of course, only in joints or joint regions, so it's a little bit of a shadow line anyway. And because of its high content of copper, and as we color it, then it goes very, very similar. It's not a problem, but once people see it in this literally worst situation possible, it's a little disturbing at times. So is the whole look of this thing. I think the owner will see it as doing what we want. We have to wrap around the corner of the house. This piece is built to represent the corner of the house. It's stone here, a little flashing strip, and then we have a mounting area of 3.5 inches before we run into a downspout. So there's a mounting point here, under here, and here, all of which will be covered by something, probably a leaf, as we have more leaves than anything else. We have several flowers and leaves that, let's see if I can grab one or two here. And these will be all over in groups of 1 and 3, and occasionally even more. I like them grouped a little bit. We wrapped it around here in this direction, just coming up towards the walkway. The walkway represented is right here. You may want to move these a slight bit further out. They will bend slightly, but we wanted to keep people from falling off the edge of the world here. So these will do that with flowers and leaves so that they'll be visually protected from continuing on beyond here. Oops, I forgot to raise this one up. Oh, that's too bad. I will still have to do it, but it's much harder once it's assembled to this degree. So that's the piece for the moment. This is really a brief video. I'm going to make a private video to the owner right after this one. Some things that we need to talk about personally, but there you go. That's the current standing of this piece, and we'll see you another time. All right, take care.